Hey class, very good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. So, today we are not going to learn something, but we are going to meet someone. Any guesses whom we are going to meet? We are going to meet your friend. Yes, today we are going to meet one of your best and the closest friend with whom you stay all day long. So, do you want to know who's your friend? Yes, it's your shadow. So today's poetry is about my shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from heel up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up tall like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. One morning, very early, before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So, you got to know who's your closest friend? Yes, it's your shadow, who always stays with you, who always stays behind you. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. So, this child has a shadow, or everyone has a shadow as a close friend, and he goes in, out, everywhere where the child goes. Everywhere. In the room, in the hall, outside, in the balcony, in the garden, in the nursery, wherever the child goes, the shadow follows him like a close friend. He never leaves him even for a minute, even for a second. He's so close and attached to him. But what can be the use of him is more than I can see. But the shadow is very different kind of friend. He's not like other normal children where he can play with him, or he can play catch him catch, or he can play running race, or he could play ludo with him. Not like other friend. This friend, the shadow, is a very different friend. He supports the child in a different way. He always gets sticks to the child. He is like a very coward friend. He is very shy. He always sticks to the little friend, but he cannot play with him. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Now, this shadow is very similar like the child, very similar from top till bottom, till the toes, till your heel. From top till down, he's exactly same like the child. Not even a bit of difference. The shape of the head, the hands, legs, everything is ditto same. And every child has a different shadow, right? Because it is same like you. When you have your own personal shadow, there's none of the shadow like any others, right? And he always sticks with you. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Now this shadow goes to the bed before the child goes to. So as soon as the child thinks of or tries to go to the bed, or thinks that I'll go to bed and sleep first, but always this shadow jumps to the bed before the child could. So he's very fast in falling asleep than the child. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like the proper children, which is always very slow. So now the funniest thing about this shadow is like he likes to grow very, very, very fast. He's not like other normal friends or other normal children who take years to grow step by step. Not like other children who grow 1 inch every day and they never become short again. This shadow is very different. This friend is little different from everyone. He grows tall, he grows short, he grows in any way. It's not fixed at all. So he's very different from other proper children. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and sometimes he gets so little there is none at all. So here the child says sometimes he gets so taller that he could height an Indian rubber ball. You know what is an Indian rubber ball? The rubber, small circular rubber ball which bounces. If you just bounce a little, it goes till the top. Very height, right? The small rubber ball you must be playing with. If you just bounce a little, it goes till the top. So sometimes this shadow goes tall like an Indian rubber ball, and sometimes it gets so shortened up that you cannot even see him at all. One morning very early before the sun I was up and rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. So one morning this child who woke up really early before the sun could rise, and he went to see the buttercup, the dews on the very buttercup. But the little lazy shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Now this morning when he got up, this child got up very early before the sun could rise to see the dews on the buttercup. His shadow didn't come along with him. His shadow was still sleeping in the bed. He was not followed by the shadow. He was like an errant sleepyhead. Errant means bad. ARRANT, errant. That means bad sleepyhead. Very bad sleepy, very lazy person. He had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So he was still sleeping on the bed. Now you could see here this flower. This is called a buttercup, a yellow color flower. And can you see the dew drops on it? The water droplets which is shining like a diamond. That is called the dew drops. Okay. So I hope the poem is clear to you. Now I have a little activity for you students. I want you to take 3 different photographs of your shadow standing under sun at different timing. It could be in the morning, afternoon and evening. Okay, I want your picture with your shadow. You can also make different shapes using the sunlight, making different animals or different things from your hand. You could shape up, or any creative things you could do. Or if you don't get proper sunlight at home, you could also use a torchlight in the dark room to check the height of the shadow at different times. Okay, because depending upon the sun's position, the height of the shadow varies. So I want you to do a small activity. Go at different timings and check how your shadow looks. Okay, and send me minimum 3 pictures of yours by tomorrow night. Okay, before tomorrow night. So you have 2 days of time to take the pictures. Have a nice day.